sometimes feel lost sifting through the mountains of information, permaculture posts, ecological gardening, and techniques that are out there on the web? Well, so do we. So why don't you jumpstart your project by joining us in this free webinar series where we share with you our 11 years of experience over 9 different countries and help you to experience what is permaculture design as a process rather than a package of techniques. I promise you we are going to help you understand what permaculture is, and I tell you right now, it is not lazy gardening. There are so many misconceptions out there about what permaculture is. Is it hugelkultur? Is it lasagna gardening? Is it companion planting? Is it a food forest? Well, we're going to help you to understand what permaculture is as a process of design, and therefore how you can apply it to any different problem that you are facing in your project or in your life. Also, we are going to help you reinterpret what is a mistake and how it can be a learning experience for you. It is not about perfection. It's about understanding that learning is a process of mistakes and learning from them. And we're going to share with you some of our mistakes and help you move beyond the mistakes that you've made and turn them into a learning opportunity. Finally, we are going to empower you to take meaningful steps on your permaculture journey and bring your ideas to life. So, join us, sign up below for this 100% free webinar series where we are going to help you on your permaculture journey and bring abundance and permaculture design into your projects and your life.